Hey, what's up guys? Today's video, let's learn how to fix Google Play Store something went wrong. If you're facing that problem, first of all, check your Wi-Fi connection. Make sure that you are connected to a stronger Wi-Fi. Then head over to your settings, tap connections. Then here you will see more connection settings. Open it and tap on private DNS. So by default, it might be set to automatic or recommended. You're going to have to tap on private DNS provider hostname and type in dns.google and then save it. For the next step, scroll all the way below, then locate apps and tap onto it. Here, type in Play Store or simply Google Play Store. You will see Google Play Store, open it. Here, tap on storage, clear the cache. Once you have cleared the cache, force stop the application, tap OK. Now restart your device, and as you do that, all you have to do is launch a Play Store and it will definitely work. Thanks for watching.